Okay, Shilan. So now let's express emotions.
Okay.
Because you're not gonna be just like a walking stick, I don't know, without emotions. You have to express emotions in another languages. So let's start with I don't know, with the biggest one, which is anger. Do you know any angry words in English? Like, what do you say when you? We're keeping it clean here. What do you say when you stomp your tiny pinky toe into a I don't know, into a chair, into a piece of furniture? What did you say? Or what did you say when you were a kid before you knew all those weird words?
Ouch.
Ouch! We say the same one.
Okay, ouch. I mean,
Let's
I would say it hurts, but that's not angry. It's like
uh
I hate this.
I hate this. Yep. In let's learn a little bit of slang. You would say me, that's a reflective verb. A reflective verb. Me choca.
Me choca.
Oh, me choca. Give it to me with anger.
With expression, met. Okay, all right. Me choca.
Oh, me choca. Exactly.
Okay. So,
Let's say I hate this shirt. I hate in Spanish. We remove many times the noun, and you would say just the verb. So you would say hate this chair, but conjugated. Odio esta silla. This chair. Odio esta silla. I hate this chair. Now give it to me.
okay, wait. Esta silla is this chair.
This esta is the adjective,
Uh-huh.
and silla is the noun.
Okay. And then me choca is the I hate. Okay.
Yeah.
Me choca esta silla. Like that?
Yeah, you can say me choca or you can say odio. Odio. I
Audio.
hate.
Okay. Audio, like audio video, like audio.
Odio. Odio. It's
Uh-huh.
ODIO.
Oh, audio. Okay. So audio and me choca is the same thing.
¿Está qué?
Me choca and audio is the same thing.
Yeah, it could be. Maybe it could be the difference between I hate and I detest. It's kind of like the same, but not the same. So give it to me. Give it to me.
All right. Odio esta cha. I always forget that.
Silla.
Esta
Ajá.
silla. Okay, silla. Sorry, I should write.
Oh, that's a difficult one. The J sound is difficult. We're going to work on it. Don't worry. Okay, say it.
So odio esta silla.
Perfect. But give it to me with anger. Come on.
Okay, I am not really an angry person, but okay.
Me neither.
Odio esta silla.
Perfect. Okay, the J sound is a little bit complicated. We're going to work on that since we are learning vocabulary. Sia, I know. Sometimes you pronounce it like I, sia, but try to pronounce it like a D, sia, like sia. It's kind of like a D. Let's, yeah, I don't know what word you have in English like that, but try to pronounce it like a D and a J at the same time.
Shija.
Oh, that sounds way better already.
Okay, so that is the J sound. Esta silla.
Yeah,
Okay.
way better.
When you say immediately, it's like a D and J. So
immediately. Yeah, close. Let go of the I, and that's it.
All right. Esta Silla. Well, then the S it becomes S. Esta Silla.
Chia. Yeah. Chia is another word, but don't worry. Yeah, you have it in English. Chia seeds, right?
Yeah, chia. Oh, like that. Okay, so Esta.
No, not like that. Forget about that. Forget I said that. But it's DJ. Like the DJ. Try to keep in mind, like the DJ, the people who play music, to pronounce that letter. We're gonna see many words with that. Don't worry. This is just the beginning. Sure. So when someone is being very loud, what would you say?
Loud? When they're being loud? Shut up. Or
shut up. Yeah, because we're talking about angry.
Right.
This one is a verb to someone.
Yeah.
So you would say, cállate. Oh, we have the DJ sound there. Cállate.
Cállate.
Perfect. That's very good. And we have feminine and masculine, but this work for both female and male.
Cállate. So,
Cállate.
right. So you would say this to someone, like you're pointing at someone and like there's no pronoun, you should shut up, or it's just cállate, like pointing at someone.
Yeah, like that. Cállate. In Spanish, we have something that we like, the verb is a tiny box and we put the noun inside the box.
Okay.
For example, when we say again, odio esta silla, I didn't say yo odio esta silla. We didn't say that. It's already in the verb, okay?
Okay.
Many times you can do that, except if it's a reflexive verb. Don't worry about it. We're just learning something new today. For example, me choca, that's reflective. Me choca. Y odio and odio are different, but don't worry, it's fine.